Taizhou Xiaojin Mould Company Limited is located in the Huangyan district of Taizhou City, which is honored of China Mould Town. Xiaojin is a professional mold manufacturer with over 11 years experiences. We mainly focus on plastic injection mold manufacturing, specializing in automotive, home appliance, household, and other more fields. Our company was set up at 2008. With all staff's effort together, we have got ISO 9001 certification and are growing up year by year. In the past years, we have successfully finished lots of mold products and won customers from the worldwide. Our molds were exported to USA, Russia, Italy, Spain, Iran, Pakistan, Egypt, Brazil, and other more countries. We always insist on philosophy that quality is the key. Good quality products come from high quality mold. With excellent quality and good after-sales service, we are creating more and more satisfied customers. In our workshop, we set up 4 high-speed, high-precision CNC machines to assure tooling quality. It is proud of that we have a talented engineer team who can assist you from design to final production. According to customers' requirement, we make product design and mold design by 2D and 3D. We usually use mold flow analysis technology to get good gate location. Are you looking for mold in China? Xiaojin is the right supplier for you. Welcome to visit us.